We are on. Hi, everyone. Welcome again to our second High Masterclass of the year, our High Masterclass number 44. And today we have a newbie with us. It's her first time presenting a masterclass like this. And I would like to present to you, all of you, Marina Teixeira. Hi, Marina. How are you?
Hi, thank you for having me. I'm great, thanks.
Yeah. Oh, and Marina, she hasn't told you, but she is really, really excited to talk with you about improving usability. It's the topic of today's High Masterclass. She has wrote an article about this. So if you want to have a full guide of this, you can check it on the next slide. Yeah, over here, you can scan the QR code that will take you to the blog article that she has wrote. There you will have a full guide for this presentation. You can check it afterwards or even during the presentation. And it will also be on the description of this video. So before we start, let me ask you, as I do always, to drop us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of content like this prepared for you in the next months, more iMasterclasses, iTalks, and other contents that we have prepared, that we are preparing for this year. So stay tuned for that. Before we start, Marina, can you tell us why do you think this iMasterclass is so important for the ones watching?
You know, usability is really important to me, and I am a huge defensor of this topic. I believe that this masterclass will be an amazing key for every developer to get the whole basis and principal topics of giving our users the best experience ever.
Sure. So, you can start your presentation. I guess we have all set to do it. Let me just
Yes.
advise the ones at home that if you have any type of question during this presentation, please be sure to drop it on the comment section of this video. We will, me, Marina, or whatever at Interactive sees the comment, we will reply to you as soon as we can. So if you have any type of questions, please be sure to drop us a comment in the comment section. So you can start now, Marina.
Okay, thank you. So, hi everyone, I'm Marina again. In this session, we'll cover the basics of usability, its importance, and some real world examples. We'll also walk through creating a usability improvement plan and wrap up with some key takeaways. So, usability, what is it and why does it matter? Usability refers to ease and efficiency with which users can interact with digital products. A well-designed interface helps users achieve their goals quickly and without frustration. This part is really important. We don't want our users to be frustrated or to take more than 30 seconds to execute a small action like clicking on a button or getting somewhere. Usability is crucial for user satisfaction, engagement, and the success of digital products. Identifying usability issues. Our key principles for usability improvement include navigation, feedback, clarity, accessibility, and efficiency. This means that our UI must be easy to find information. The system must respond to user interactions, be intuitive, and have understandable elements, be usable for people with disabilities, very important, and also be quick and effortless task completion. Let's break this with some real-life examples to understand them a bit better. Here we have, these examples are all basic, very simple. Here we are faced with some issues with navigation. In this example, we had an overwhelming number of navigation links with no clear hierarchy. And in this second image, we streamlined this navigation to only include essential items, making it clearer and much more user-friendly. I chose to present this in a simple way. I will always present you the prints first, explain them, and then you can check on what I'm explaining on the next slide. So here you will always have the issues and improvements. On our second example, we have contrast issues. Contrast is vital for readability. As you can see on this first image, we are experiencing some low contrast that makes the text really hard to read. By increasing the contrast between the text and the background, we are able to improve readability. There are some colors that just don't mix. For example, we should never have red text and yellow background. That's the worst case scenario ever for me, for example. Here, the issues and improvements. Our third example is related to form labels. On the first example, there are unclear form labels that can confuse the users. Originally, our form labels were vague since we didn't know what was asked from us. So we added some clear labels and placeholder text to guide our users on what to enter, which is the email for this case. For our fourth example, we have grid layout issues. On the first image, we have a poor grid layout that can make a site look cluttered and disorganized. And by aligning these elements with and using a structured grid layout, we made the design clean and responsive. We also added padding, color, and border radius to the grid items for a much cleaner, smoother, and modern look. Here we have another example, this one related to container organization. Here we are facing misaligned and non-responsive elements. As you can see, this text is over here, and it's a bit over the top here. We are facing a lot of issues, and this creates a poor UX. We improved this by aligning elements in a structured, responsive layout. Also adding a visual appeal like the previous example. Like I said, adding paddings, background color, border radius, box to the boxes, and just make it as all UI UXs should look like: modern, clean, and smooth. Related to form accessibility, this is a very important topic. Not so much spoken, unfortunately. It should be more. Related to form accessibility, forms without labels and required field indicators are not accessible. Here, on the second example, we added labels, indicated required fields. Let's say name and email are mandatory fields in this case, and we used ARIA attributes to enhance accessibility for screen readers. Very, very important. Don't forget to check ARIA attributes at all times. And here to our plan, creating a usability improvement plan. We must redesign navigation, enhance accessibility, add visual feedback, and reduce clicks. What does this mean? It means that we need to simplify and organize to help users find what they need, improve contrast, adjust font sizes, and ensure inclusivity. Use animations and messages for clear responses, give feedback to our users, streamline interactions for efficiency. And for our conclusion and final tips, usability is key to effective user experiences. Small improvements can lead to significant user satisfaction. Remember to always test and iterate for better results, and your users will thank you in the end. This was it from me. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for joining this masterclass, and feel free to visit our blog and ask whatever you want.
Okay, and thanks also, Marina, for this great presentation. I'm sure that the ones at home really got the insights on how to improve usability. And yeah, it was a really simple and effective way to do so. Me, that I like, I don't know nothing about it. Like I'm just a marketing guy, and me, by watching it, I really understood the struggles and what you need to improve your usability. So congrats on that, Marina. Uh,
Thanks, João. That's great.
and yeah, for the ones at home that stood by till the end, please, as I've asked in the beginning, be sure to drop us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hopefully, we'll have Marina again on a future masterclass. Like, who knows, on another different topic, or like to make a part two of this presentation, like improving usability part two. I
Be great.
just came up with the name, so I don't know. But yeah. With that said, as Marina also said before, if you have any type of question, please be sure to drop it on the comment section of this video. And if you are struggling with improving usability, please be sure to call iInteractive. We will be more than happy to address all of your usability problems with our magnificent team, which Marina takes part on. So yeah, thanks to you all that stood by till the end. Thanks, Marina, and see you on the next one. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.